Welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this face and body wash gel for glowing and brighter skin. Stay connected as I show you how to make this tutorial. So to make this papaya face and body wash gel, I'm going to start with a medium size of papaya. I'm going to cut it, and after cutting it, I'm going to take out the seed and peel the outer layer and leaving with the inner layer of the papaya. Then I'm going to cut it into cubes. So for the seed, the papaya seed, I have a video I made with it. I'll drop the link below this video. You can watch it, how to make papaya seed oil for massaging the scalp, and also for making body cream or any other toner. For this papaya face and body wash gel, I'm going to start off by cutting this papaya into cubes. So after cutting it, I'm going to measure out 150 grams of distilled water in a beaker, and after measuring it, I will heat it. I'll heat it up, and in a different beaker, I'm going to measure out 70 grams of the papaya I just cut. Then after that, after measuring the 70 grams, then I'm going to bring back the water, the 150 grams of distilled water, and I'm going to pour it in this papaya and leave it for 2 hours. Exactly what I'm doing at this point. So after pouring the 150 grams of distilled water over the 70 grams of papaya, I'm going to cover and keep aside for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to use my immersion blender to blend it. If you don't have immersion blender, you can also use the regular blender. Just pour it inside the blender, and after blending, pour it back into the beaker. So after blending it, I'm going to strain and filter the papaya juice with a strainer and a cheesecloth over it. So I'm going to repeat this process to make sure there are no particles in the papaya juice. At this point, after straining the papaya juice, I'm going to measure out the quantity I need. And for this papaya face and body wash gel, I'm going to need 30 grams of papaya juice. And the first ingredient I'm adding to the papaya juice is my lantern powder. As usual, I'm going to be dropping the measurement and ingredient on the screen, so you can take a screenshot or write it down. So after adding it, I'm going to mix very well. Then the next I'm going to add orange extract, and below I'll drop the video on how I made this orange extract. This also helps in lightening the skin. Then the next I have my glycerin. I have 5 grams of glycerin, and also I'm adding 0.50 grams of xanthan gum. So glycerin is a humectant. It draws water from the atmosphere into the skin, and so I'm going to mix it with the xanthan gum. To mention, I'm using xanthan gum clear. So after mixing this glycerin and xanthan gum, I'm adding it into the papaya juice.